After 15 days of reporting from the ground in Jammu and Kashmir, I now bring you the third phase coming in. What is it looking like? The final crucial phase and the big news coming in right now. Our reporters are on the ground telling us from Jammu to Kashmir, it's the big fight. Remember, it's very important because primarily the Jammu region votes today, so does North Kashmir. They have had very different voting patterns, and it's going to be very interesting. So on one side, of course, there's BJP, Congress NC Alliance, PDP, then there is Engineer Rashid's AIP. There is DPAP, so there are several parties this time that have come in. The focus is statehood, the kind of alienation that both regions have felt, who will get peace and prosperity, what sort of focus. One has been known to be a BJP stronghold, one has been known to be a boycott hub. So what is going to be the turnout this time, this morning? 7 a.m., voting begins. Let's take a look at first the reaction coming in. Ghulam Nabi Azad, what a turnaround he's seen in his political life. This time as DPAP leader. Here's what Ghulam Nabi Azad told my colleague early this morning.
आजाद साहब क्या कहेंगे, लोगों से क्या अपील करेंगे? आज तीसरे और आखिरी चरण का मतदान है।
वोट डट के सुबह सवेरे उठ के सब परिवार को वोट डालने चाहें और जो भी उनकी इच्छा के अनुसार जिसको वो अच्छा समझते हैं उसको वोट देना चाहिए।
40 assembly segments. Jammu region primarily goes to vote today in the third and final phase of J&K elections, which is finally happening after 10 years. The situation has, remember, evolved. This is what Ghulam Nabi Azad saying this morning.
Every time in every election, the parliament.
तो साफ तौर पर आप देख सकते हैं कि गुलाम नबी आजाद ने अपना वोट डाल दिया है और उनने अपना जो इंक फिंगर है वो भी दिखा दिया है। तो गुलाम नबी आजाद सबसे पहले वोटरों में आज यहां पर शामिल हो गए हैं। सबसे पहले उन्होंने यहां पर मतदान किया। देखिए, गुलाम नबी आजाद इस समय जो है देखे तो डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोग्रेसिव आजाद पार्टी के अध्यक्ष है। उन्होंने नई पार्टी बनाई थी, कांग्रेस को छोड़कर उन्होंने नई पार्टी बनाई थी और शुरुआत में उन्होंने बड़ा दमखम दिखाया था और लग रहा था कि एक रीजनल एक बड़ी पार्टी बन सकती है। लेकिन समय जैसे बीतता गया तो उनकी पार्टी के जो बड़े नेता है वो एक एक करके पार्टी छोड़ दिए और इसे कहीं ना कहीं डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोग्रेसिव आजाद पार्टी का जो है शक्तिहीन हो गई और इसीलिए डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोग्रेसिव आजाद पार्टी जो है कुछ ही मुट्ठी भर सीटों पर ही चुनाव लड़ रही है। सिंबॉलिक है, सांकेतिक तौर पर ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। लेकिन गुलाम नबी आजाद ने यहाँ लोगों से अपील की है कि वो भारी संख्या में आए और अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग करें।
That's Sunil Ji Bhatt getting us early this morning. This is the final third phase of Jammu and Kashmir elections. It's a high stakes battle today. And remember, there may not be the usual big candidates in the third phase, but this third and final phase is very important. In this final phase, the focus will be, remember, of a 90-member assembly, 40 assembly segments today, primarily Jammu region and North Kashmir. North Kashmir had been a boycott hub for several years, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani's hub. And when I was reporting from there, the feedback I got is that people are ready to vote. They want to have their local representative. So going by how the turnout has been for Jammu and Kashmir in the past two phases, incredible, over 55-60%. So it will be interesting to see the third phase. You can see the polling agents, the officers on duty this morning. We are told that of the 40 constituencies, 24 in Jammu division, over 3 lakh voters to exercise their right to vote, their franchisee, and decide the fate for 415 candidates. But it's a high-stakes battle because there is BJP, which has had a stronghold in the Jammu region, but then there is the National Conference Congress Alliance on an anti-BJP plank coming in. Then there is the PDP, primarily in the Kashmir Valley.